Progress, this is Hotel 44. My India, calling station is number 5 in the call sign, number 5 in the call sign. 73 QZ, number 5.
Mike 5, Alpha, Juliet, November, mobile.
Okay, the mobile station, Mike 5, Alpha, Japan, Norway, stroke mobile, 5 and 3, 5 and 3.
QSL 5 and 3, you are 5 and 7, 5 and 7, Michael, over.
Thank you for 5 and 7, and you are 5 and 3.
Mobile, Mike 5, Alpha, Juliet, November. Duncan, thank you for the call. You are 5 and 7 today, over.
Yes, QSL 5 and 7, Todd. Lovely to hear you again. The propagation very good. You're 5-9 plus 10. 5-9 plus 10 from my mobile station beside the sea, over.
Hey, Duncan. Nice to meet you again, Duncan. And thank you very much for the beautiful signal report. Yeah, many UK coming through very strongly this evening here in Niigata. Thanks, Duncan. Hope to catch you again. Bye-bye. Please, Japan, Zero. Papa, Kilo, Sierra.
G'day, Duncan. Mike 5, Alpha, Juliet, November, mobile, VK2 Fox Radio. How do you copy, over?
Yes, I got a good copy on you, Jordan. You're 5-9, over.
Yeah, okay. I can't give you the same report. You're about a 5 and 6, 56, over. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no problem there. Thanks for the 5 and 9. The bend's all over the place here. It's very up and down. But I assume, are you in the normal spot? Over? Yeah, okay. I do have the radar. The radar is very strong. But thanks for the call. Good to hear you, Duncan. 5x6, 56, over.
QSL the 5 and 6, Jordan. Thank you so much. And enjoy the opening. 73 from Scotland. Bye-bye.
Yeah, 73, Duncan, all the best. QRZ, VK2 Fox Radio.